Direct variation is the first one we're going to do. We'll talk about what these look like and what functions make them. The first one, for direct variation, it's a super small, simple equation. It's anything of the form. It's way too small. It's anything of the form where you have y equal some constant times x. That's it. There's no y-intercept number. It's just y equals kx. Now, instead of having the m there, this k, there's a fancy name for that. That k is called the constant of proportionality. Big word. It just means that's how much a thing changed by. Words that imply your function will look like this. If you see the words like varies directly, or if you see something is directly proportional, it implies that you're going to be dealing with a function that looks like this, where you have an x and y, and your job is to just figure out what that k is. Yeah. Another way you might see this is if anything jointly varies, it implies that it looks like this, where it's some constant multiplying a variable gives your output. This is direct variation. Inverse variation is exactly the opposite. So I'm going to take that away. Nope, that's the question. I need that. Inverse variation is anything of the form where you have some constant of variation being divided by x equaling y. Keywords that give this away are things like it's saying that it varies inversely, or if it says that it's inversely proportional. This implies that the equation will look like this one. And again, our only job here is to figure out what the k is. There's nothing else to it. We're going to do some examples. That'll be the second video.